Indodana yowabe engumengameli waseZimbabwe uRobert Mugabe kulindeleke ukuthi ivele enkantolo ngomsombuluko ngecala lokuzama ukubulala emva kokudubula isisebenzi sasengadini esineminyaka engama-23 ubudala. Lesigameko senzeke kwaMugabe eHyde Park entshonalanga yeGoli izolo.
Kubikwa ukuthi lesigameko sokudubula senzeke izolo ngehora leshumi ekuseni emva kwengxabano ebiphakathi kwendodana kaloyo owayengumengameli waseZimbabwe ongasekho uRobert Mugabe kanye nesisebenzi. Kubikwa ukuthi omakhelwane bezwe kuqhuma isibhamu kathathu.
We don't know who shot and who did the shooting and where is the firearm. Hence, we are taking them for questioning. And from our questioning, that's where we will take it from.
Amaphoyisa athi labasolwa ababili abasebenzisananga namaphoyisa ngesikhathi beboshwa.
I can say that out towards the end they were uncooperative, because if they were cooperative they would have told us where is the firearm, but they are not telling us where is the firearm. But we do have a victim that has been shot, so it states that the person, clearly shows that there is someone who has been shot, but where is the firearm that shot the person?
Isihlobo somndeni wakaMugabe sithi bebengazi ukuthi indodana yabo inesibhamu.
He does not own a firearm. I was surprised when they said he shot somebody. I don't even know who owns the firearm.
Kubikwa ukuthi lezi ndaba zimshaqe kakhulu uGrace Mugabe.
The mother is distraught where she is. No parents want to hear this about their child. So Bellarmine is a very good boy. Contrary to what people might believe, he's a very good boy.
Isisebenzi sasengadini esidutshuliwe sesimeni esibucayi esibhedlela. Kanti uBellarmine Mugabe kanye nasolwa naye babhekene necala lokuzama ukubulala.